Hi all, this is Bhavatarni here. Today I am going to make a fridge magnet. The materials required are acrylic colors, brush, permanent marker and Fevicryl molded. So now let's take equal parts of resin base and hardener. I have taken equal parts of base and hardener. Now I am going to mix it. Now I have mixed it nice. Now I have flattened the mixture with the roller pin and I have used a cookie cutter to cut it. And I dried it overnight and I got a thick mold. And I have stuck a magnet behind. Now I am gonna paint it. Now my fridge magnet is ready.